Assalamualaikum and hi. Now I will explain about the definition of the big data. So what is big data? Based on the website of Investopedia, big data is referring to the large, diverse set of information that grow at ever-increasing rates. In the accounting profession, big data involve the analysis of large volume of structured and unstructured data to derive insight, improve the decision making, and enhance financial process. Key terminology and concept of big data in accounting encompass various elements related to the handling, analysis, and utilization of large and complex data set. The first key terminology is the 5V, where it is volume, velocity, verity, veracity, and value. Let's see one by one of the 5V. The first V is the volume. Volume refers to the sheer amount of data encompassing financial transaction, market data, and customer information. Second V is velocity, where it is the speed at which data is generated, processed, and analyzed, requiring real-time or near real-time capability. The third V is verity. Verity involves the diverse data types collected from various sources, such as text, number, and image. The fourth V is veracity. Veracity addresses data accuracy, reliability, and the management of uncertainties. And the last V is value. Value underscores the goal of extracting meaningful insight for informed decision making. The next terminology is data warehousing. Data warehousing involves the process of collecting, storing, and managing large volume of data from various sources in a central repository for analysis and reporting. Other than that is data analytic and business intelligence, utilizing advanced analytic tools to analyze big data set and derive actionable insight for strategic decision making in accounting. The fourth key terminology is predictive analytic. Predictive analytic employs statistical algorithm and machine learning models to forecast future trends, identify risks, and optimize financial strategies. The last key terminology is data governance. Data governance is essential, involving the implementation of policy to ensure data quality, integrity, and compliance with regulation. Now I will explain about the evolution of big data in accounting. In the year preceding 2010, accountants grappled with the accelerating challenge of managing expanding volume of financial data, especially as data source diversified. The subsequent decade marked a significant shift with the introduction of the terms big data. Significantly, the industry acknowledgement of the intricate nature of analyzing vast and diverse data set. Moving into the mid-2010, cloud computing emerged as a pivotal force, offering scalable solutions that transform data storage and processing. This era also witnessed the integration of advanced analytic tools, enhancing the extraction of valuable insight. As the late 2010 unfolded and extended into the ongoing period, the accounting landscape saw a convergence with emerging technology like blockchain, real-time analytics, machine learning, and AI. This integration played a key role in elevating security, transparency, and decision-making process within accounting. The evolution persists, characterized by continued advancement and increasing emphasis on ethical consideration, data privacy, and governance. This ongoing transformation reflects a commitment to the responsible handling of financial information in an ever-evolving digital era. The evolution of big data in accounting is driven by several key rationales, reflecting the changing landscape of the accounting profession and the increasing importance of data-driven insight. The demand for data-driven decision-making in accounting has fueled a shift towards the use of big data analytics. Accountants recognize the need for timely and informed decision, prompting them to leverage large data sets to extract actionable insight, thereby enhancing strategic planning and financial decision-making. Additionally, the evolving nature of financial fraud has led to the accounting profession to adopt big data analytics for enhanced fraud detection and prevention. As fraudulent activity become more sophisticated, big data analytics serve as a powerful tool to detect irregularities, anomalies, and potential fraudulent transactions in real time. Furthermore, there is an increased focus on predictive analytics in accounting facilitated by big data. This allows professions to anticipate financial trends, optimize budgeting process, and strategically allocate resources thereby enhancing overall financial planning and forecasting capability. Now I will explain about the challenge big data in accounting. In the evolution of big data in accounting, several challenges have played a pivotal role in shaping the adoption of advanced solutions. Firstly, the increasing complexity of financial data, spanning both a structured and unstructured format, pose a significant hurdle for traditional database, which struggle to effectively manage this diversity. To address this, the industry embraced advanced big data solutions capable of handling intricate data structure. Secondly, the demand for real-time analytics presented a critical challenge as traditional analytics often fell short of meeting the requirement for timely decision-making in accounting. Recognizing the importance of immediacy in financial insight, big data technology were introduced to provide the capability for near real-time data analysis, ensuring accountants could make informed decisions promptly. Moreover, the proliferation of diverse data sources, including online transactions, social media, and IoT devices, pose a challenge in processing and analyzing datasets simultaneously. In response, tools capable of handling this array of data sources were developed, enabling accountants to extract valuable insight from various channels in a cohesive manner. And lastly, the evolution of regulatory framework necessitated more robust data management and reporting capability to ensure compliance with changing financial regulation. Big data analytics emerged as a crucial ally in meeting this compliance requirement, offering enhanced capability for data governance, transparency, and adaptability to evolving regulatory standards. Now we move to the cloud computing. So the definition of cloud computing, according to the website from Investpodia 2, the cloud computing is defined as the delivery of different services through the internet. These resources include tools and applications like data storage, server, database, networking, and software. But when it comes to accounting, it refers to the delivery of accounting software and service over the internet rather than through traditional on-premise software installed on local computers. Now, I will explain the key terminology and the concept of cloud computing. Key terminology and concept of cloud computing in accounting encompass a range of elements that involve the deployment, management, and utilization of computer resources over the internet. So, what are the key terminology and the concept of cloud computing? Infrastructure as a service allows accounting firms to run virtualized computer resources like server, storage, and working over the internet. Platform as a service, or PaaS, provide a platform with both hardware and software tools, enable accountants to develop and manage applications without concern about the underlying infrastructure. Next is software as a service. It is deliver accounting software and application over the internet via a subscription and eliminating the needs for local installation and maintenance. Virtualization is a crucial concept involving the process of creating virtual version of computer resources such as server or storage. It also improves resources utilization and scalability. Ensuring data security and privacy is fundamental, involving protective measures like encryption, access control, and adherence to the industry regulation. In the evolution of cloud computing, within the accounting sector, the journey began in the 2000s when cloud computing emerged as a revolutionary concept, introducing virtualized and scalable resources accessible over the internet. This marked a significant departure from the traditional infrastructure practice. As we move into the late 2000s, software as a service (SaaS) solution gained prominence in accounting. Notably, accounting software like QuickBooks Online become accessible through the internet, leading to increased efficiency and flexibility. In the evolution of cloud computing, within the accounting sector, the journey began in the 2000s when cloud computing emerged as a revolutionary concept, introducing virtualized and scalable resources accessible over the internet. This marked a significant departure from the traditional infrastructure practice. As we move into the late 2000s, software as a service (SaaS) solution gained prominence in accounting. Notably, accounting software like QuickBooks Online become accessible through the internet, leading to increased efficiency and flexibility. The 2010s witnessed a widespread adoption of cloud-based accounting software across firms of various sizes. major provider in this industry offers solutions with real-time collaboration and remote access features, transforming the way financial data was managed. As we progress in the mid-2010, cloud accounting evolved further by integration with advanced technologies such as big data analytics, artificial intelligence (AI), and machine learning. This integration brought about significant enhancement in data analysis and automation capability, revolutionizing accounting process. The 2020 brought unprecedented shift as the COVID-19 pandemic accelerated the adoption of cloud computing in accounting, particularly in facilitating remote work. This period underscored the importance of cloud solutions in providing the necessary tools for the collaboration and connectivity. The ongoing evolution continues to be shaped by the imperative of adapting to a remote work environment, emphasizing collaboration tools and connectivity within the dynamic landscape of cloud computing in the accounting profession. The evolution of accounting practice toward cloud computing can be attributed to several key rationales. Firstly, cost efficiency played a pivotal role in this shift. Traditional on-premise infrastructure demanded substantial upfront investment in hardware and maintenance. Cloud computing, on the other hand, empowered accounting firms to adopt a pay-as-you-go model, thereby reducing capital expenditure and optimizing operational costs. Secondly, scalability emerged as a driving force in evolution. Cloud service offer the flexibility to scale resources up or down based on demand. It is particularly beneficial in accounting, where workload may fluctuate seasonally or due to specific projects, ensuring optimal resources utilization. Accessibility and collaboration stand out as another crucial rationale. Cloud computing facilitates remote access to accounting applications and data, fostering collaboration among geographically dispersed teams. This proven indispensable for global firms and those embracing remote work arrangement. Lastly, data security and compliance constitute a fundamental reason for the evolution. Cloud provide invest significantly in robust security measures. By leveraging cloud service, accounting firms can avail themselves of advanced security features, ensuring data integrity and compliance with industry regulation. In the world of accounting, cloud computing has become vital, overcoming various challenges faced by the professional. Firstly, the massive growth in the financial data was a hurdle, but cloud computing stepped in, offering scalable and cost-effective solutions for efficient data management. Secondly, as accounting firms expanded globally, the need for centralized and accessible computer resources became crucial. Cloud computing provides a centralized platform accessible from anywhere, addressing this global challenge. Additionally, the burden of managing technology refresh cycle for traditional infrastructure was alleviated by cloud computing. Firms no longer had to worry about periodic update and replacement as the responsibility shifted to the cloud service provider. Lastly, in the competitive landscape, firms recognize the advantage of agility and efficiency offered by cloud computing. Early adopters could innovate rapidly and respond swiftly to the changes in the market, giving them a competitive edge.
Next, what are the challenges and opportunities for big data? These changes allow businesses to do new and effective things with data. We can break down three main ways big data is helping businesses make better decisions. First, to gain insight. Second, to predict the future. Third, to automate non-routine decision making. According to Institute of Chartered Accountants, in England Thought Leadership report the impact of accounting profession. There are several opportunities and challenges in the accounting profession and practice related to insight, prediction, and automation. First, we look at opportunities related to insight. Big data provides accountants with the opportunity to gain deeper insight into business operations, professional financial performance, and risk management. By analyzing large volume of data from various sources, accountants can uncover patterns, trends, and correlations that were previously difficult to identify. So, this enhanced insight can enable accountants to provide greater assurance over financial statement, improve their management of financial resources, and offer more valuable decision support to business funds. Other challenges that can be identified. First, misinterpretation of data. There is a risk that interpretation of big data insight may lead to incorrect conclusion or misinterpretation of underlying data patterns, potentially resulting in flawed decision making. Second, data privacy and security. The use of big data for gaining insight raises concerns about data privacy and security. Improper handling of sensitive information could lead to breaches, regulatory non-compliance, and reputational damage. Opportunity-related prediction. The application of predictive analytics to big data allows accountants to make more accurate forecasts and predictions. This can help in identifying potential risks and opportunities, enabling proactive decision-making and risk management. By leveraging predictive models, accountants can enhance their ability to anticipate future outcomes and trends, thereby contributing to more informed and strategic decision-making within organizations. Challenges that can be identified is over-reliance on models. This is a risk of over-reliance on predictive models, leading to a false sense of confidence in accuracy of predictions. This overconfidence may result in poor decision-making and failure to critically evaluate the outputs of predictive analytics. Second, data quality and bias. Predictive models are susceptible to bias and inaccuracy if the underlying data used for training and validation is of poor quality or contain inherent bias. This can lead to unreliable predictions and flawed strategy decisions. Automation presents the opportunity for accountants to streamline routine tasks, reduce manual errors, and improve operational efficiency. This can free up time for accountants to focus on higher-value activities such as analysis, interpretation, and strategic planning. Automated processes can also lead to cost saving and improve productivity within accounting practice, allowing professionals to allocate their time and resources more effectively. So, the challenges related to automation. First, job displacement. The automation of routine accounting tasks raises concern about potential job displacement within the profession. As more tasks become automated, there is a risk of reduced demand for certain traditional accounting roles, potentially leading to workforce challenges and job displacement. Second, quality control and error detection. Automation introduced risks related to the quality of work, as machines may not possess the same level of judgment, intuition, and error detection capability as human accountants. This raises concerns about the potential for errors to go unnoticed and the need for human intervention to correct inaccuracy. Let's move to the next opportunity of cloud computing. First, cost effectiveness. Cloud computing offers a cost-effective alternative to traditional accounting system by reducing the need for significant upfront investment in hardware and infrastructure. This can be particularly beneficial for small and medium-sized accounting firms that may have limited resources. Second, flexibility and accessibility. Cloud-based accounting provides the flexibility for accountants and clients to access financial data and accounting software from any location with internet connectivity. So, this accessibility can enhance collaboration and communication between accounting professionals and their clients, leading to improved efficiency and responsiveness. Real-time information. Cloud accounting enables real-time processing and access to financial information, allowing for quicker decision-making and analysis. This real-time visibility into financial data can be invaluable for businesses seeking to monitor their financial performance and make timely strategic decisions. And last, latest technology. Cloud service providers regularly update software and hardware, ensuring that accounting professionals have access to the latest technology without the need for individual software installation or upgrades. This can lead to improved efficiency and productivity in accounting operations. Next, the challenges that has been arise. First, security and reliability. Security concerns related to confidentiality and integrity of financial data stored in the cloud remain a significant challenge for cloud accounting. Accounting firms and their clients must address this concern by implementing robust security measures and ensuring compliance with data protection regulations. Second, data privacy and compliance. Cloud-based accounting systems need to follow strict rules on data privacy regulation and meet industry-specific compliance standards. To ensuring data privacy, integrity, and regulatory compliance is for maintaining trust and confidence in cloud accounting solutions. Integration and application compatibility. Seamless integration of cloud accounting application with existing system and compatibility with other software used in the accounting profession can be challenging. Accounting firms need to ensure that cloud solutions align with their existing workflows and support interoperability with other business applications. And last, dependence on internet connectivity. Cloud-based accounting is reliant on consistent and reliable internet connectivity. Disruption in internet service can impact accessibility to financial data and accounting software, potentially leading to productivity issues for accounting professionals and their clients.
So next we are going to the theoretical frameworks and the solution for big data and cloud computing. So in today's rapidly changing world where data is being generated at unprecedented scale, the role of big data and cloud computing in accounting has become increasingly important. Theoretical frameworks and academic perspective can provide a valuable insights into the implication, challenges, and the possibilities that arise when integrating big data and cloud computing in the accounting fields. So there are actually several established theoretical frameworks and academic perspective that can shed light on the obstacles and the possibilities of these technologies within the accounting fields. And these theoretical frameworks includes the institutional theory. So this theory can provide insight on how organizations and industries can adopt and adapt to new technologies such as big data and cloud computing within the accounting field. So by applying this theory, the accountants can better understand the external pressure and the institutional norms that may influence their adoptions and use of the big data and cloud computing. They can also identify the potential barriers and develop strategies to overcome them, such as resistance to change or lack of organization. Next is technology acceptance model, which highlights the interactions between technological factors, organizational factors, and environmental factors in shaping technology adoption and implementation within an organization. So this framework can actually help accountants understand the various factors that influence the adoption and implementation of big data and cloud computing solutions in the accounting field and can guide them in making strategic decisions regarding technology integration. The various factors include perceived usefulness, ease of use, and subjective norms that may influence the decision-making process of accountant when adopting new technologies. And finally is the resource-based view. So this view emphasizes the importance of organizational resources and cloud computing. This view can help accountants recognize the significance of developing competencies in business analytics and information technology to effectively leverage these technologies for improved financial process and decision making. By conducting a resource audit, organizations can identify the resource and capabilities they already can support the implementation of big data and cloud computing in their accounting. They can also identify any resource gaps that needs to be filled, such as additional IT infrastructure or data analytics skills. Therefore, with a combination of this theoretical frameworks such as institutional theory, technological acceptance model, and resource-based view theory, organizations in the accounting field can develop comprehensive understanding of the obstacles and the possibilities associated with big data cloud computing. By drawing on these theoretical frameworks and academic perspective, they can develop a practical strategies and solution to effectively address the issue and challenges and harness the opportunity presented by big data and cloud computing. So what are among the practical solutions and recommendations for effectively addressing the challenges of big data and cloud computing in the accounting field? This includes number one, implementing robust data management practices. To ensure the quality, integrity, and security of data in cloud computing systems, this includes implementing strong encryption protocols, regularly updating security software, and training employees on data privacy and protection. By doing so, accountants can ensure that sensitive financial information is safeguarded and able to mitigate the risks associated with data breaches and cyber attacks. Next is leveraging data analytical tools and techniques. This is derive a meaningful insight from big data in accounting process. Implementing data analytics software and techniques can help accountants process and analyze large volumes of data, identifying patterns, trends, and insights that can aid in decision making and financial analysis. And next is establishing clear data governance policies and procedures. This is to ensure the compliance with relevant regulation and standards. This involves defining roles and responsibilities for data management, establishing guidelines for data sharing and access, and implementing data governance frameworks to ensure the integrity and reliability of data used in accounting processes. And next is investing in employees' training and development. This is to enhance data literacy and technical skills required for utilizing big data and cloud computing in accounting. It is also important for accountants to continuously update their skills and knowledge in areas such as big data analytics, cloud computing, and data security. And finally is ensuring effective communication and collaboration. So accountants should always actively communicate and collaborate with IT professionals, data scientists, and other stakeholders in order to ensure the successful integration and utilization of big data and cloud computing solutions in their accounting process. This involves effectively communicating the benefit of these technologies to stakeholders, providing training and support for employees to develop the necessary skills, and creating a culture that embraces innovation and technological advancements. So in conclusion, with the development of computer-level network and intelligence, modern society has already stepped into the information stage, and it is evidence that the evolving landscape demands a proactive and informed approach of accounting professionals. Technologies such as big data and cloud computing are both fastest growing technologies emerging today. However, embracing these technologies requires a strategic balance between mitigating the risks and capitalizing on the opportunities they present. The theoretical frameworks and practical solutions discussed serve as guiding beacons, illuminating a path towards secure, efficient, and future-ready accounting landscape.